In this video, we fix a broken exhaust flexi part, you know, a little bit in the middle, with no special tools, no welding, nothing like that. So enjoy the video. Yes, we're back with this POS. But yep, the exhaust is blowing under there, and as you can see, maybe you can see, but it's a bit loose here. That's all broken and coming off. So what I'm going to do is I am going to cut it from here and undo it from here and replace here, and hopefully we're going to be good. But yeah, we know how plans go. So off to the cutting, I guess. Yeah, so I'm going to go for the big boy. Let's see what size this is. I think this is like a 7 or 9 inch, I don't know. 8 inches.
He's just touched me. He just touched me. It's on the side, I got a 9 inch. He's just touched me.
As you can see, I'm just going to chop it off, and safety. Safety is #1 priority. Russian hacker, that chap. But yeah, safety. Yeah, let's get busy. Kind of broken already. Broken. Nothing. Boom. So we've got the dead one here. As you can see, it's pretty ropey, pretty broken up, to which this was welded on it, like that. Yeah, there's no repairing that, mate. That's why you need a vise. Anyone want to sponsor me a vise? Let me know in the comment section. Okay, not too bad to be fair. So, not the greatest cut. Still got a bit of that weld on it. Bit of a friction fit, we like that. I like it anyway. Looking at that, I think I can cut it a bit more. I think I can chase this edge off a little bit, you know. Let's see if that gets down even closer, because the closer we get to this, the better. But yeah, I'm going to try and chase that edge off a little bit. Let's try that. Hey, what do you reckon of that? It's not too bad, is it? A little notch. Let's try that. That has got closer though. That has got a bit closer. My little notch, see? My little notch around there. Held on. Not the greatest around here. I probably could have done something else, but dude, all in all, not too bad. Okay. What do you reckon? How it looks? Looks like it fits all pretty good. Put a bit of paste around it. Put a bit of paste around it. Put a bit of paste around it. And get them up there. Screw them on, clamp them on. Looks good. Kind of looks good. Okay, so hopefully we can hold this on here and it will hold real good, hopefully. Yeah, so this should be tight, this should be tight, this should be tight, this should be tight. Okay, cool. Beautiful. All working nicely.